How to enable or disable fast charging on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Battery. After click on Battery, click on Battery Protection. After click on Battery Protection, here showing you fast charging option. If you want to enable fast charging, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, fast charging is enabled. If you want to disable fast charging, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, fast charging is disabled. You will enable or disable fast charging from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable fast charging on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.